Boom, viewers, subscribers. Back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not foreign from King Mix Up, it's not credible. And I keep on telling y'all that, you have some ugly she's out here saying I got 11 people on my lives. Yet still, those 11 views make the people in the industry apologize. Yes, people, we're the only one to point out that Romeich was very disrespectful to this black woman, a working black woman, and a lot of people took offense, to him saying, him want to wet her up and drape her up and kick with her foot and anyway, this at Jamaica. You feel what I'm saying? Like, very disrespectful. But you don't know the thing said, people. Dressmaker Boy watches me. And he apologized. You feel what I'm saying? So big up yourself. Yes, So like I said, Dressmaker Boy took to his IG story and he had this to say. For all the ladies that took what I said about Waitress last night, I apologize. I ain't no abuser, nor am I a woman beater. But a hungry man is an angry man. And that Waitress was very rude, but I apologize for saying if a Jamaica me did that with a kicker. Cause I ain't putting no hands or feet on no one. So I'm sorry. People put in the comment section, do you think he is sincere in this apology or is he just trying to show face? You feel what I'm saying? And I get it, people. I get it. Trust me. I get it. But y'all have to understand the type of industry that these women are in, the waitresses. Sometimes things get a little bit hectic, people. Sometimes things get a little bit hectic. Sometimes people are put under pressure, feel pressure. This could have been a new worker. Messing up a food item or orders is a common mistake in the restaurant industry. So I think they overreacted. I definitely think they overreacted. You feel what I'm saying? Because like I said, this is a common thing. But again, people, in a time when black women are being abused, kidnapped, raped, physical abuse, mental abuse, it's just not a good look for an individual like him, who has a female artist, should be acting like this, People, again, putting in the comment section, do you think this apology was sincere? Or do you think he's just trying to show face? You know what I mean? Do you think Sincere is a little bit impatient? Do you think the rest of them was impatient? Because if this was Jamaica, people, this waitress would have been fired. Trust me. You heard the big talk. Let us buy the place. You know what I mean? If this was Jamaica, this lady would have been lost her job. I mean, you know what I mean? And you know how scarce jobs are in this pandemic situation. These people are risking their lives to serve you. I mean, if you were so rich, why don't you go to a rich people restaurant, Why didn't you, cater to your suite? You feel what I'm saying? But like I said, people, he apologized based off of what we were saying around here. Because I got a lot of women that follow me. And I seen a lot of them were hurt in the comment section. And I had to use my voice so they could be heard, And before we go on to the I-Octane cocky pit, I see a lot of people getting mad that I'm calling Remach a dressmaker boy. I mean, I don't see no problem with that. That's what he does for a living. He's a tailor. He sews clothes. He sells clothes. And people make a lot of money off of clothes like Versace and Louis and all of them. You know what I mean? But you suck-hood niggas want me to call this nigga a Don. Or want me to refer to Remach as a Don. As a boss, top shot and all of this. Man, anyway, people. Okay, people, I really don't know what's going on in dancehall and gospel this week, but it looked like everybody look a viral. You feel what I'm saying? And the latest people to be added to this list is the Atras. Yes, we all know who the Atras is. The man who said him do the things them in the video. And the girl that extort him $3 million. You feel what I'm saying? And who am I talking about? No other than I-Octane, people. I-Octane took to his Instagram to show how good he's feeling. And he had this to say. Just done work and feel great. Ladies, no belly. Them dead in the show. Atras is back. Wish sexy girl there ready for her Valentine's later. DM me apps ASAP. And you know he's advertising his new album, Sexy Symbol. And he said, do remember, said Diamond video a drop. Yes, I-Octane, we know we're putting in the promotion thing and subscribe to the I-Octane Vivo channel. You see what I'm saying? Who said Rasta not in a mix-up? Because let's be honest, a mix-up, a sell, a mix-up, a carry the views. You know what I mean? It's just, you just gotta have talent to back it up. And I-Octane is definitely a talented artist. You say it. Unlike Shansia, people is saying she's doing a little bit too much by showing her stuff. You feel what I'm saying? And people are also giving Lady saw a fight for her cleavage. You know, her girls were seen hanging out with her for lunch the other day, and the Christians took a disliking to it. Yes, you can't please no one but yourself and the Lord above. People, what do you think about this? Do you think this is all publicity stunt for all three? Do you think Lady Saw is trying to push her new songs in dancehall? From a band, me never got Obi a man, and yeah, the other one, and I-Octane pushing new music, and Essentia also. What do you think about Romeich's apology? Do you think it was so sincere? Do you think it was bogus? Hocus pocus? You know what I mean? And don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Because around here, so you get the latest in a dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossips. People, on a big up on yourself. Bless.